In this video, I will tell you how to permanently disable Windows updates in Windows 11 so your computer stops downloading and installing updates in the background. A lot of people do this because automatic updates can sometimes slow down the system, restart the PC at bad moments, or install changes that users simply do not want. First, open Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. Then go to the Services tab and look for Windows Update on the list. Once you find it, right-click it and choose Open Services. This will open the full Windows Services window. Now scroll all the way down manually until you find Windows Update again because it is usually near the bottom of the list. After finding it, right-click Windows Update and open Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for Startup Type. In most cases, it will probably be set to manual or automatic. Change this option to disabled, then click Apply and confirm the changes. After doing that, restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, Windows Update should no longer run automatically, which means Windows 11 will stop downloading updates in the background. Some users also notice that their system feels slightly smoother afterward because fewer update services are running constantly. However, you should also understand the downside of this method. Disabling Windows updates can make your system more vulnerable to security issues and bugs over time because Microsoft will no longer install important security patches automatically. So, while this method can improve convenience and performance for some users, you should still remember that it also reduces your overall protection against newer threats and vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.